Hey guys, welcome back to another quick FRP guide from unlockresellers.com. In this video, I'm showing you how to remove the Google account, FRP, from the Samsung A226B, that's the A225G, using SIM Unlocker Pro. Open up the tool, log in, press the FRP button, and select the option MTK BROM, and select Agree to the statement about the 2 credits taken for the procedure. For this model, no test point is needed in most cases. Just power off the phone and connect it while turned off. That should let the tool detect it in preloader mode, like it did in my case. If that doesn't work, press and hold both volume buttons, then plug in your USB cable. That should force it into BROM mode directly. Once it's detected, the process should start. Just let the tool do its thing. It's quick, usually done in a few seconds. SIM Unlocker Pro works well on a lot of Samsung MTK models. Smooth, fast, and the best part? No yearly subscription. You just pay for the credits you need. You can get your credits at unlockresellers.com along with other pro-level unlock and repair tools. Thanks for watching. Like, share with your crew, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.